Hey, this is Don Johnson, Airbrush Gallery, with another little tech tip video. This one's going to be on wet sanding this helmet. Yesterday I clear coated it. The video for that is on my Facebook page or Instagram page. We're going to wet sand this after we cleared it yesterday, and I use these little, it's actually packing for new tailgate or a new door. When you get a new door or a tailgate, it comes with this packing material. The same with the TV or really any appliance you get. It'll come with this foam rubber packing material. And they make great sanding blocks. I go out and buy expensive sanding blocks and somebody in the shop picks them up and they disappear. So I use these. They're free. They make great sanding blocks. Like I said, you can cut them to any size you like, and if you lose one, who cares? You just get the packing out of the next item that comes in the shop. So that's my little tech tip on free sanding blocks. I'm going to wet sand this helmet with 2000 grit sandpaper, always keeping it wet, using a sanding block because you can apply more pressure with a sanding block and get it smoother, quicker than you can just with your bare hand. So always use a sanding block. I probably could have gotten away without wet sanding this. It would have been fine, but by wet sanding it, it really, after you buff it and polish it, it really shines a lot better. So it's worth going the extra step to color sand them. Once we've gone through the whole helmet and everything's knocked down, everything's been sanded with 2000 grit and 3000 grit, it's time to buff it and polish it. I use an air buffer, this little air buffer. You can buy them in Northern Tool or just about anywhere really that sells tools. Or you can buy a battery operated one like this, AC Delco. I don't think it spins quite as fast as the air does. I don't think it's quite as effective, but it'll work if you prefer a battery operated one. On this helmet, and for now I'm using Meguiar's Mirror Glaze 101 foam cutting compound. From what I'm told, it's made by 3M. But it works fairly good. I thought I'd give it a shot. And Meguiar's Mirror Glaze 9 swirl remover as the finish. With this system, as with all compound and finishing systems, they have a recommended color size for the pads you should be using. Follow the directions of whatever compound and swirl remover system you're using. We're going to buff the whole thing, which I'll make another little Instagram video on in a few minutes. We'll put the trim back on this helmet, put the visor back on this helmet, and it's a done deal. So that's my little tech tip video on how you can get free sanding blocks and cutting, buffing a helmet. I hope you enjoy. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope I don't stay tongue-tied. Subscribe to my videos. It's just paint, relax, and have fun. Till next time.